So today we are doing a comparison of Robinhood versus Acorns. Now, what we want to do is go over some of the important features such as fees and commissions first and foremost. So when it comes to fees, Robinhood offers commission-free trading for stocks, ETFs, as well as options. There are no account minimums for the basic use of the app. Now, when it comes to Acorns, they actually operate on a flat monthly fee, which has different tiers for different additional features. Now, just a heads up, this can be a significant cost for investors with a small portfolio. So I do want to make that aware, but the one thing I do recommend when it comes to Acorns is its simplicity and ease of use is honestly kind of worth it if it means getting started with investing in the first place. Now, when it comes to those costs, they do start at $3, go to $6, as well as all the way to $12. But again, you can start at the lowest end if you're just getting started and increase as you want additional features and functions. Now, as we continue on with this list, if you end up wanting to sign up for one or even both of these companies, we will have an exclusive sign up bonus link in the show notes down below, so you can jump right to the sign up page and get started. But we also got you covered. If you actually want to see how to set up your account and utilize it properly, we'll actually have complete beginner guides for both of these companies in the show notes down below as well. So you can click on those and get started. We'll also have them at the end of this video. So next up, we're going to be talking about is account types. And to start off with Robinhood, they do offer, of course, the taxable brokerage account, as well as retirement accounts such as traditional and a Roth. They are also rolling out joint account as well, so you can actually have your account with your partner as well, all in one app. Now, Acorns is a managed portfolio service, so it offers a variety of different types of accounts on its subscription tiers, so including taxable accounts as well as IRAs. And then in the higher tiers, they do also offer custodial accounts for children. So next up is fractional shares, where you can actually purchase small dollar amounts into companies instead of the full amount per share based off its dollar price. Now, this is a core feature of Robinhood. It supports fractional shares. You can actually buy stocks and ETFs with as little as $1, which helps you really diversify your portfolio as well as get started with a very small dollar amount. Now, Acorns uses fractional shares as part of its automated investing model on its traditional type of investing that it does. However, with the Acorns Gold tier membership, you can actually also add individual stocks and ETFs into your portfolio and also do those under fractional shares. So next up is going to be dividend investing, and this is a pretty important one for people who want to invest for the long term. Robinhood has a user-friendly dividend investing program, also known as DRIP. This allows your investments that pay out in income from the holdings that you have right back into them, so that way they can compound even more. And what's really nice is this is just a toggle on or off inside of your Robinhood account, so be able to go ahead and just automatically have that running in the background. Now, since Acorns actually manages your account on your behalf, all the dividends received from your ETFs are going to be automatically reinvested back into your portfolio. It's a seamless and easy process to go through on Acorns. Now, when it comes to money management, both of these companies actually offer additional things beyond just the investing side of stuff. Now, Robinhood offers a cash sweep program where your uninvested cash in your brokerage account can be earning a competitive APY. And if you have the Robinhood Gold, it actually bumps that up even higher. It also offers a debit card with a connected spending account, providing a way to manage money and spend money outside of your investments within the same account. And just as a quick side note as well too, Robinhood does also have a credit card that is slowly rolling out to more users. So that will be an additional feature as time rolls out for users on Robinhood with the Gold membership. Now, Acorns is built on the concept of automating your financial life. So it offers a checking account and a debit card to automatically round up your purchases and invest your spare change all within one app. The platform also has the ability to have an emergency fund. So think of it as a high yield savings account with, again, also a really high APY. Now, similar to Robinhood, this will require a higher tier of their paid membership to be able to get that access for the checking account as well as the high yield savings. Now, when it comes to optional premium services, we were kind of already talking a little bit about some of this with Robinhood Gold. It's a paid service as of this recording is $5 a month. It includes a higher APY on your uninvested cash, also a 3% match on your IRA, which is fantastic, as well as larger instant deposits, as well as getting access to Morningstar research and level 2 data if you're wanting to dive deeper into research. Now, we talked about how Acorns pricing is structured around a monthly subscription already, and they do have different tiers that unlock additional features. For example, the higher cost plans include the family accounts, so you can have multiple custodial accounts in there, as well as a checking account, a debit card, as well as a higher IRA match similar to what Robinhood does as well, to get up to 3% match on your retirement account contributions. Now, when it comes to research and education, Robinhood platform offers essential tools, including real-time charts and news. The Robinhood Gold, like we just mentioned, also does offer Morningstar research and level 2 data, giving you tools needed to perform your own analysis. When it comes to Acorns, this is designed for hands-off investors, so very beginner starters. So it's primarily focused on not really providing any kind of research tools. So the platform provides just educational content to help you understand the basic fundamentals of actual investing, but it does not actually offer analysis or tools for individual stocks. Now, like I mentioned earlier, we will have links to these apps in the show notes down below that will have an exclusive sign-up bonus using our links. But don't forget, we also do have our beginner guides in that show notes as well too, so you can actually see how to set up your entire account. And we also got you covered. Once you go ahead and sign up, we'll also toss in one of those beginner guides right over here so you can jump right to it and learn the full setup for your new account.